What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the OnePlus 7T against the OnePlus 7T Pro. Both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU. They both have 8 GB of RAM. Will there be any difference? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the OnePlus 7T. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on Android 10. It has the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8 GB of RAM. Then we have the OnePlus 7T Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on Android 10. It has the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8 GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the OnePlus 7T Pro wins by 1 point. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the OnePlus 7T Pro wins by 1 point. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the OnePlus 7T Pro won by 1 point. In round 2, the OnePlus 7T Pro won again, and that was by 1 point. And honestly, the difference is fractional and it is negligible. As for the specs, the OnePlus 7T has definitely caught up with the Pro, as it also has the 90Hz display and the same 30-watt charging. But the difference here is the full HD display versus a Quad HD display, a slightly bigger battery, a small notch versus a full screen display thanks to the pop-out camera. If I had to choose, I would probably go with the OnePlus 7T as it is cheaper, and I also prefer the flat screen. So that does it for this comparison video. Do you own or plan to buy either of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.